I just got in my couple sets of my magnetic socket holders from Olsa tools. See, Olsa.com. And these work as described. They hold them in there with a magnet, and they are really not easy to move. So they're not going to go anywhere. So my idea is I can't leave them on top of my toolbox or down here because they're in the way. These are US set, but you can see they're really hard to pull up off of the metal cabinets. But I think what I'll do is I'll stick those onto a tray, a metal tray, and then I can move them wherever I want. My old one looked like that, and it's 20 some odd years old. I'm missing a snap on here, and the back is falling apart, so that's got to go quietly. And these are, I haven't finished putting all my sockets in yet, but I just thought I'd give you a quick idea of what these are really worth. And I can't remember what I paid for them. You'll probably find them at different levels, but they come with 3 sets. I've only got 2 here. You got the half-inch drive, 3/8 drive, and the 1/4-inch drive. All the socket drives. Metrics. And US. And they look really, really good. Here's the 3rd one. In fact, since I don't have that many sockets, I'm using them to hold in some of my extensions too. So you can see the smaller extensions, little extensions here in the end. And they're going to be perfect. You mount them on a little tray, metal tray, like a cookie sheet, old cookie sheet. I have used lots of those out here. I'll mount them on that, and then I can just slide them around wherever I need them to be. And then they'll be ready to go. Olsa tools, Canadian.